Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust the screen scale or aspect ratio on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. So first of all, we're gonna have to switch to the external source since the TV won't let us affect the screen size on the home page. So let me press sources button on the remote control and switch to my HDMI device, and after that we're gonna have to press the gear button on the remote control, then select all settings, select picture and sound, go to screen, and here select the aspect ratio of your TV. So you can select automatic super zoom 4:3, movie expand 14:9, then 16:9, full screen or unscaled. So these are the options available for PlayStation 5. You may have some different options in your settings, but that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.